So now let's move to the next section where we're gonna build this frequently asked question. So for that we have to just add a new container, and we have to choose the two section layout. Here we can add FAQ. Okay, here also we can add edit to the top, edit to the bottom. Okay, now you can see for this container, you can see we have this here in this layout. Okay, and here we can have this. Okay, and here we can have to make this to 500. Okay, here we can add the 20. Okay, and here we can just add the 40. Okay, now you can see we have to add a container. Okay, and inside this we can add the icon list. Okay, and here we can just write the compression services. Okay, here we can write left, and this is the tick one. Okay, so let's make this to wide, where we can add 10. Okay, here we can make this uppercase. Then you can see we have the left section here. Okay, and the width of this would be like this. Okay, here you can write the auto. Okay, so when you write the auto, it will give you the width according to your content. Okay, here also we can write 5. Okay, now we can just duplicate this like this. Okay, here also we can add the transparent. Okay, and here we can also add the client satisfaction to this. Okay, and here we can make this to like this. Okay, update. Now you can see we can go to the top, and we can just copy these things. Okay, so I have accidentally removed that. Okay. Okay, now let's go here, and here we can just copy. Okay, here we can also paste this. Okay, here we have the FAQ section, and here we can just make this in the center, and here we can write this 16. Okay, here we can add the frequently asked questions. Okay, here we can also make this to uppercase. Okay, now we can just copy this like this, and we can paste this. Okay, here also we can make this. Here also we can copy this here. Okay, so you can see. Okay, now let's publish this once, and after publishing, you can see we have to make this FAQ now. So let me go here and refresh it once. After that, when I go below, you can see we have this section fully working. Okay, now only we have to make the FAQ content according below. So now we can add this FAQ, so this type of accordion. So for that we're gonna use the accordion. So let's first add this accordion here. Okay, so this is the accordion. Now you can see we have this accordion, and here you can see we have this stretch option. So after that stretch we can make this in this direction. Okay, then after let me add some content here, like here you can see we have this title one. Okay, and inside this we can add this. Okay, and this is the item one, and here also we can add 30. Okay, we can add this to like here 20. Okay, this is looking good, and you can see here we have gaps and all. So let's go to this. Here you can see we have this padding. Let's make this 0. Okay, and only the padding would be to the top and to the bottom like this. To the bottom also 20. Okay, we can add 15 here, and we can add 15 here. Okay, and here also we can add to the left. Okay, and here also we can add this title. Okay, like this, and here for the accordion. Okay, we can just increase the size of this, and we can make this uppercase. Okay, and here also we can make this like this. Okay, and here also. Okay, here also we can just make this. Okay, so you can see this is looking good. Now what we can do, we can just go to the content, we can just delete this, and we can add this like this. Okay, and here you can see we can put some spacing also, like distance between item. Okay, like this. And for the header we can disable these borders. Border will be there, but only for the bottom one, like this. Okay, like this. So you can see this is done. Now let's publish. You have to just change the question and answer here. Suppose if you want to add different question, you can just copy this, go to this, and here you will find content. We'll go to the second one and just put the second question, and when you open this you will find this answer and just replace your answer. Okay, so this is also done. And now what we can do, okay, here also we can just click on this. Here we can add this 30. Let's publish. Okay, now come here and we're gonna refresh this and frequently asked questions. Okay, so you can see, okay, so you can see here in the content also we are getting this. So what we can do, we can just go here. Okay, here in the line item, and we can just make this like this. So when I check here, we'll find this looking like this. Okay, now we can go to the accordion here, and here we can remove everything, and we can just duplicate everything and just replace all of these questions and answer. Okay, now we can just save this. Okay, let's go here and refresh, and here we can go below, and here you will see this is looking good. Okay, so this is done. Now let's